And it's your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. And if you're just getting to the mountains this week, you missed some big-time rain. Last Saturday, some flooding reported in Gatlinburg. That's a picture of the Little Pigeon River in Pigeon Forge. You might want to still be careful with some of the hiking trails out there. We have a blog post that gives you all of the updates on this, some pictures, some video. It was a lot worse last year. In some locations, 17 inches of rain in January. We're kind of in the rainy season right now. Don't see a whole lot of it in my 7-day forecast, so there's your good news. Certainly don't anticipate any kind of lingering or widespread flooding issues. Also on our blog right now, some news about Wilderness Wildlife Week. A preview of that. It starts on the 25th. Once upon a time, there were only 4 programs on one Saturday afternoon. Well, now, Wilderness Wildlife Week goes beyond 1 week into 8 days. All the info on that is also on our blog. Let's go skiing. Woo! Now, for me, the most of my skiing experience was on a Nordic track back in the 80s and 90s. So this has taken my breath away. Yikes. Some great skiing and tubing. You know, the experts at Ober-Gatlinburg have you covered. Ladies' Night is coming up January 23rd. They have all kinds of special programs, too. Women's programs, church programs, student, corporate programs to teach you how to have fun in the snow. And those folks are having a very good time in the snow. We thank you for going with the GoPro in that snow. A little bit of snow in my forecast, too. There's the next 7 days. It includes a high of 48 with rain on Monday, decreasing cloudiness, and pretty nice temperatures on Tuesday. We bounce up and down this week. Wednesday, well, really any time late Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll probably get a coating of snow around an inch, maybe more in the higher elevation. So watch for that on Wednesday, only in the mid-30s. Sun's back out again on Thursday, back into the 40s. A slight chance of maybe seeing some snow showers around on Friday, but awesome weather this coming weekend. Upper 30s to low 40s. Maybe we can see some more pictures like this. The classic mountain view there. Sherry Jardina. Sherry, we've got your pronunciation right. We appreciate the confirmation on Twitter the other day. You can always get in touch with us, Twitter, Facebook, and visit mysmokies.com.